The Department of Science and Technology has unveiled a new locally developed school chair designed to double as a bed for disaster evacuees. Mobile Journal Jas Paredes with the report.
The DOST Forest Products Research and Development Institute unveils a new innovation of school chairs. Different from the usual chairs with an armrest, its new development called Silyang Pinoy aims to be a multifunctional furniture that can be easily transformed into a bed.
The schools, public schools particularly, are being used as evacuation centers in times of disasters. So yun yung main inspiration natin. And making it multifunctional would make it more conducive for our evacuees na magkaroon ng mas magandang mahihigaan. Kasi itong Silyang Pinoy can be transformed from a school desk and chair into a bed frame.
The development is also in compliance with Executive Order 879 of 2010, which created the Philippine Bamboo Industry Development Project. It mandates the use of bamboo for at least 25% of the desks and other furniture requirements of public elementary and secondary schools. It has been established that the planting and use of bamboo will significantly contribute to the mitigation of climate change and disaster management. In connection with the Silyang Pinoy, the project aimed to enhance bamboo usage.
Pansin natin, ang main feature ng Silyang Pinoy is made of engineered bamboo, plus the traditional furniture materials being used. So, yun ang ating inspiration.
The project was carefully made into consideration and developed with years of testing.
The project has a duration of 2 years. And so, within that duration, we have produced prototypes and tested and made acceptance tests to the different schools. So, kasama yun sa project para we make sure that comfortable din yung ating gagamit ng Silyang Pinoy.
The Silyang Pinoy has been donated to several provinces for testing, such as Camiguin, Puerto Princesa, and Apayao Public Schools. Prototypes have also been distributed to the DOST Daycare Center in Bicutan. A prototype is also available at DOST Taguig for viewing.
We didn't had any negative feedback about our Silyang Pinoy, but we continued testing and developing the Silyang Pinoy.
Talks with the Department of Education to integrate the Silyang Pinoy in schools are also rolling, with plans to pilot the project in NCR and in Region 4A. The DOST FPRDI is also planning to develop multifunctional desks for teachers in the future.
Yung mga buildings also made of bamboo. And for example, we have developed a jointing system for bamboo poles. Actually, we had a prototype of this jointing system through a waiting shed, which we donated in Lawag City during the National Science and Technology Week in December.
Kapatid Jas Paredes, we are One News.
This is good to take a step forward into adapting to mga disaster. Di ba like they're also trying to develop mga tents daw na that will be nakakayanin niya yung lakas ng hangin or tubig at the same time may pores daw para yung air nag-go through para hindi siya nainitan daw yung may evacuate.
Ako naman, I never doubted yung galing ng mga Pilipino pagdating sa mga
Inventors?
invention.
Oo.
Diba? Ang nagiging problema lang dito is yung funding. Kaya minsan, napipilitan silang ibigay sa iba because walang suporta ng gagaling sa government. So, dapat yun yung mas palakasin nila. And more importantly, while we commend yung ginawa nila dito dahil for disaster, pwede siyang maging bed, diba? Pero as much as possible, we don't want nga na ang mga classroom ay ginagawang evacuation center.